Serving non-Congress Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi did not come from a political or influential family. He's a simple man with simple roots. Born on 17 September 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat, Narendra Modi is the son of Damodar Das Mulchand Modi and Hiraben Modi. He is the third of 6 children. In his early years, Modi helped his father at a small tea stall at Vadnagar railway station, an experience he says not only shaped his connect with the average Indian but gave him insight into what they really need. Teachers remember him as a keen student and a gifted orator. The seeds of his political life were sown at the age of 8 when he was introduced to the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). He attended shakhas regularly and by the age of 21 he had become a full-time pracharak, an ambassador for the mission. He also enrolled in the National Cadet Corps (NCC) and later in 1969 worked at his uncle's canteen at the Gujarat State Transport Corporation. Modi formally joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in 1985. His organizational skills helped him rise quickly through the ranks, becoming the party's general secretary just 13 years later in 1998. By 2001, when the then Gujarat Chief Minister Keshubhai Patel's government was under fire for corruption, mismanagement and the mishandling of the devastating Bhuj earthquake, Modi was offered the position of Deputy Chief Minister. He refused. He was adamant he would either take full responsibility for Gujarat or not at all. On the 7th of October 2001, he was sworn in as Chief Minister of Gujarat, a post he held till 2014. He is credited with some of the biggest development initiatives in the state, from privatization of state government companies to attracting global investors through exercises like Vibrant Gujarat. On 12 September 2013, as India geared up for its 16th general elections, Modi was declared the BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate. The 2014 general elections soon turned into a battle between Modi and the Congress party. His charisma and his oratory won the day. His popularity was boosted through campaigns like Chai Pe Charcha and technologically innovative hologram rallies which captured the nation's attention. Phrases like Modi Wave and Modi Leher dominated public discourse. He became the talking point of the entire election.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं.
In May 2014, Narendra Modi was sworn in as Prime Minister of India, marking the beginning of a new political chapter. He repeated the feat in 2019 and again in 2024, making history. With his third consecutive term currently underway, he is now India's longest-serving non-Congress Prime Minister. In his 11 years as Prime Minister, he has rewritten Indian foreign policy to present India as a player no country can ignore, driven social and economic reforms that have transformed villages and cities and towns and sown the seeds that allow the aspirational middle class to believe dreams can come true. Today, Modi is regarded as one of the most popular leaders of his era, appealing across age groups, communities and social factions. On the global stage, he has left a strong imprint, positioning India as a decisive voice in international affairs. For the BJP and the RSS, he remains one of their tallest icons, embodying the journey from a tea seller in Vadnagar to the highest office in the world's largest democracy. Bureau Report.